Alright, we're back to the Pulsar GX400BN. I'm going to do a quick setup. I was going to start it on propane. Don't have a propane tank. Don't feel like running out to the farm. We have a blizzard, so I want to get this set up just in case the power goes out. Got 5 gallons of 91 octane gas. Read the instructions. It takes about 20 ounces. It recommends the 10W30 oil. That does go right here. Has a little dipstick. You can see. Right there. I will want to get a magnetic one at some point. We have a nice little oil funnel. It has a screw in top. I know I did see people complain about them, so I'll give it a try. If not, I do have another little one from one of my other generators, and that's what they did. Here is the regulator that came with it for the propane, which is nice. It comes with the hose and everything. That's the whole reason I bought this. And in my last video, I was hoping to parallel it with my Pulsar 2300 generator, but it says it should be the same model, so I might just give it a try, see once what the wattage is that I get out of it, but I probably should just get an extra GX400BN and be safe. I'll start putting in the oil. It came with 21 ounces of Pulsar oil. It is the 10W30 right here. So let's see how much of a mess I can make. This little funnel. Oh man, this funnel is going to be a pain. So you put the oil in there. I'll be right back to you. Alright, you do have to hold this up if you don't want to make a mess. Sort of like this. Most of the oil I just kind of poured a little bit at a time in while holding it, so definitely need 2 hands. And now I'm just finishing off draining it off. They gave me 21 fluid ounces. It only calls for 20.6, so it might be just a little bit over. Should be alright. So, you unscrew this guy right here. Hopefully I don't have to run it for too long. I'd like to do a nice break-in period on it, but the power goes out, and I'll run it, and it's under warranty. So right up to the full mark. Yes, I got oil already on my little bag. Wasn't very smart. Should have wiped it off too, but it's clean oil. This is the little toolkit that comes with it. Spark plug, little screwdriver. It does say, I believe, every year to clean the air filter, spark arrestor, and spark plug. Every 6 months, change the oil, depending on how many hours you also run. I think it's like 25, 50-hour increments. Probably won't use it that much this first year. So I will start fueling this guy. And I did notice one of the videos said there is a O-ring, so if you twist this too hard, it'll squeeze out on one of the other videos. So I didn't really turn it too hard, just kind of where it's snug. I don't want to have it squeeze out and ruin that. I have oil everywhere. So here's a gas cap. There's where we put the gas. Nice little screener in here. I got one of these panes of a gas can right now, so I'll fill it up and then I'll be right back for the starting procedure. Alright, I got it full. I did spill a little with that green locking gas cap. Need to grab a different one. I do not like those at all. Put that back on tight. Close this oil door. You just twist it to lock it back on. So I read the instructions. It says for propane, you put it onto the start choke, and you only pull this very slowly 3 times, and that primes it. On gas, you just put it on start and choke. Then you come over here. And start it right up, second pull. I am in a closed garage, so let's see how this goes. It's showing 16.6 hours already. I think that must be the run time. Or how long it'll last. Here the hours ran, I believe. So yeah, run time is R. And then the overall S. See, I'll have to look up what those are, or if you know, you can tell me. Running 124.4 volts, 60 hertz. running very smoothly. Took 2 pulls, didn't even have to put my other hand on it. The last video, I did not show you. It does have this nice carry, and it does have wheels on it. So that is a Pulsar GX400BN. Seems like it's running, so if I need to use it tonight, I will. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe. Here is the starting of the generator with gasoline. All the instructions. Stopping the generator, definitely unplug everything. Just select it to off. The propane, they have all the steps to do that also. Here is the reset. Here is the eco mode. Substantially quiet. Very, very quiet on eco mode. I bet the missus doesn't even hear this inside the house. Great load generator. Add a fuel additive. I will be putting just a little bit of seafoam in it to keep that fuel lasting longer. If you guys have any questions, drop a comment. I'll try to find you an answer, figure out the answer. Have a great night.